Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Open TikTok and confirm you are signed into the profile you'll modify. Once done, go to your phone settings and verify location access for TikTok is off or set to. While using, this prevents new geotags. Make sure the app is updated so options match the current UI. You'll also clear cached location data next inside TikTok. These steps set the environment so removing location tags works reliably without leaving residual data. You'll now remove location from each post. Open the video, tap the three dots or the edit menu, and choose Edit. Then remove any visible location tag or place sticker. Make sure to save changes. If the location is only in the caption, delete or reword it to remove place names. If the location is embedded in the video content, text, or map, you may need to trim or re-export the clip without that segment and upload a fresh post. This ensures no public place data remains. Finish by tightening privacy and clearing caches. Go to Profile Settings Privacy and turn off any location sharing options. Review tagged videos and remove tags if necessary. Then clear the app cache via Settings. Free up space to remove stored metadata. If you still see locations after edits, log out and reinstall the app to refresh local data, and only then contact TikTok support with specific post ID. If nothing else works, re-upload edited content without location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.